So if the farms were given to war veterans, which war did Bona Mugabe fight? Iwondo ipi yakarwiwa na Bona. Kana mwana msikana aine mafarms akadaro, mai vake vane mangani. I agree, we are very educated, but we are educated to become useless to ourselves. Yes. Now, a few weeks ago, if not months, the former president's daughter was divorcing with her husband, Bona Mugabe, and it was revealed that she owns many properties in her name. She had more than 5 farms, if I'm not mistaken. Farms. Bona Mugabe has farms, but there are war veterans who do not have farms. As we speak right now, yes, there are war veterans who did not have a farm. Yes. Some, they simply wanted a plot, yes, 10 hectares of land. Yes. They could not get it.
Even a small thing.
There is a war veteran right now who cannot afford to go to a private hospital, yes, to get a medical checkup. Yes. So if the farms were given to war veterans, which war did Bona Mugabe fight? Iwondo ipi yakarwiwa na Bona.
Greediness.
Greedy dogs that can never have enough. Now my question is, if the list of properties that was published, which Bona Mugabe owned, by the way, she has never worked enough to be able to afford 2% or 1% of all that is in her name. Hapana kubasa kwa atambo shanda Bona kwekuti anoafoda kutenga mastenzi ese ari muHarare nedzimba dzaainadzo muHarare. Hakuna.
Yes.
Yeah. There's a difference between decency and a pretense of decency. If you are wise, you will know that. My question is, what about a mother? Kune tsumo inoti zvazvinodai pamuti munyoro kowakaoma. Kana mwana musikana aine mafarms akadaro, mai vake vane mangani. And our people in Zimbabwe, as usual, they can't speak publicly about it.
Yes.
Their argument is we are educated, we don't want to pick a fight. The kind of education that Zimbabweans have, it's a strange kind of education. Because we boast we are very educated. I agree, we are very educated, but we are educated to become useless to ourselves.
Yes.
Have you realized that Zimbabweans only excel when they go out of Zimbabwe? Go to Europe, take care of their sick people in their hospitals. That's when your best potential comes out. We are taught and educated to be useless to our own issues and useful to be used by others. At best, we excel when we are exploited by others. So they never spoke about it. Those who spoke about it, they were in hiding. Mazvinzwa here kuti Bona ane dzimba. Mambonawo mafarms ana Bona. Zvakaoma, ngatinyararei. Tinosvasvangwa tikanzwi kwa tichitaura nyaya. Zvatopera. Zvino sechechi hatinyarare ka siri chechi chayo yaMwari. Tinoti aiwa. Izvezvi mukatoti pamukana wokutungamira nyika, toatora ese mafama aya. Totsvaga vamwe vanoda kurima tovapa. Being the daughter of a president or the son of a president does not give you a privilege to national resources.
Yes.
The resources of a nation do not belong to the first family.
No.
They belong to the citizenry. Everyone